If you'd like to stay near the Eiffel Tower while in Paris, we'd recommend the Palais de Chaillot Hotel. This boutique hotel is a very affordable option and is but a 7-minute walk to view the Eiffel Tower. If you'd actually like to get up in the Eiffel Tower, it's a 21-minute walk to the park, and it's also a 19-minute walk to the Arc de Triomphe. There is a metro station just 3 minutes away, and there are several cafes, wonderful little shops throughout the area. Very safe and very walkable area. There is a very nice lobby area where espresso and snacks are available all day long, and breakfast is available for an extra charge. This is a small boutique hotel with only about 5 or 6 rooms per floor, and our room was right outside the elevator. But since it's so small, we really didn't hear any noise there. The desk is a little small if you're trying to work from here as I was, but perfectly functional. A full tour follows. As you can see, the room is a little small. This is a standard double room. The bed was actually quite comfortable. The room is quite small, but remember, you're not here for the room, you're here for the Paris attractions. Again, there's that small desk, not a lot of room for luggage, a little bit of closet space, safe, of course. And the bathroom was actually decently sized for the room. Full tub shower combination, amenities, heated towel rack. Bit of a courtyard view if you want to stretch it a little bit. But overall, great value and great location. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please consider subscribing. It means a lot to us and helps our channel grow.